Hey guys, welcome back to Bryce's channel. And today we're playing with this red boat. It goes pretty fast. It's little. I've been thinking about which one to go for, like this boat, this small boat, or the trash truck. So we're going to be talking about this boat.
You see the back of it, Bryce?
This is what it looks like on the back.
Very cool. You want to open it up?
Yes. Let's do it!
Alright, open it up. Try opening it from the side.
It's okay.
Right here.
Comes out. See what's inside. Whoa, it's a boat.
Very cool. Looks like it's on the bottom though, huh?
It has two propellers. They go fast.
Oh, we need a
It goes
screwdriver.
fast. It has two of these to go fast, and they're small. And we need another screwdriver.
Another one?
And
Where's a... Will it come out now?
it goes fast. See this?
Yeah, let's see the remote.
This is the remote. This is the motor.
Let's see the remote. You come out?
It comes out. There they go.
Alright, and then we'll take it to the water and go test it out, right?
It's,
You ready to test it in the water, Bryce?
Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. I'm going to show you my boat again. And it's in the bathtub, remember?
Let's see it go. Whoa, look at it go. Can you make it go around the tub backwards? Coming through, beep beep.
It doesn't do beep beep. And guys, what it does is, don't flip this because it opens the tank. It opens the battery, and this is where you open it and dump all the water out.
Oh no, we don't want to open that right now because the bathtub will get all wet.
It's only for the batteries.
Oh, where'd he go? I don't see him anymore. Oh, there he is. Oh no! Somebody fell in with the boat.
I'm gonna crash.
Oh no! He got ran over!
Guys, watch this. Look.
Ah! There went Chelsea!
I won't get Chelsea because she's she's a person.
Yeah, we don't run over Chelsea, right?
She's a person.
I think Chelsea will stay on there. See if Chelsea will stay on the boat.